Welcome to this one of our 2-minute tips videos. If you're finding the series useful, hit subscribe below, hit the notification bell. In this video we're going to look at the ability to customize the OK button to allow you to zoom into the image on your LCD or in your EVF. This is a simple piece of functionality that also applies to the D850, and it's the capability to customize the OK button to allow you to zoom into the image on your LCD or in your EVF. Whilst I have it set up to my OK button because that's right underneath my thumb and therefore a very useful position, you can actually customize some of the other buttons to have that same functionality. So let's get stuck in and have a look at the functionality and how you set it up. If I press the OK button, what you'll see is it zooms into 100% wherever I've got the focus points. If you're focusing, you can obviously zoom in and just check that your focus, and this is particularly useful especially if you're using manual focus, because what you can see is I've got the focus peaking set up here, and as I go in to use the focus ring you can see the red edges coming up show what's in focus, and then you press OK and you come back out to a full screen. You can do the same when you're in video mode, although if you're using autofocus wide area, the OK button actually allows you to pick the focus point for that rather than zooming in. If you weren't in that mode of focus, then it would zoom into 100%. So to set this up, go into the custom setting menu, choose F3. Here you've got the capability to assign functionality in shooting mode and playback mode. We're going to choose shooting mode and go into zoom. You've got the choice of low magnification or high magnification. I prefer 1:1. So that's how you set it up. In playback mode you have a couple of other options that you can look at, such as histograms, thumbnails, or choose folder. So to set it up for movie mode, it's very similar. You go to G3 in the options and there you get some additional options. I tend to set it up for zoom on and off and 1:1.